What does an auditor report on a description, design, and operating efficiency of control of service organization? So, audit report of service organization. This is the question. So, the service organization, two things we should see. One thing, they are getting our data. One thing, they are getting our data, right? And that data they use to do something. The something is like process it, accounting, servers, some kind of thing is being done by by them. So now our question is whether the data what is given is stored properly, privacy is there, and how their model work on it. So see what is their model. What is the model? First thing is they should collect the data, they should have a process, and the process have some result. This to be managed should have this. So our question is how they have this process, how do their steps involved, how they protect our data, and how efficiently they are working on, and what is the result we get is efficient or not. This is the thing mostly we see in this service audits usually. So report on description, design, and operating efficiency of control of a service organization. So standard operating 402 service consideration relating to entity using service organization. The service auditor assurance auditor can report following description fairly presenting the service organization of system. So describing fair presentation the service organization system that had been designed and implement throughout the specific period. Throughout the specific period, what they have to implement, what is the design and what is the fair value. And control relating to the control objective. They have the objective na, so they should implement something na. The implementing is based on objective that is given by a service organization want to complete this task. How the controls are relating to this objective stated in a service organization description of the systems were suitable designs throughout the specific period. Example, accounting. This company has outsourced accounting. The objective of the service organization to account it. So how the control of accounting is there, how the invoices are received, how they enter it, how they file it, how they scan it, how they keep security, who can access that accounting, who and all cannot access the accounting. That's the thing, that's the main focus. Second, control tested, which is the necessary to provide reasonable assurance that control objectives stated in the descriptions are achieved and operating effectively throughout the specific period. So in the specific financial year, how this control is tested. So only one person can enter, two-person enter. We will see and give me the data of the master data, the audit trial we will conduct. Who made this entry, who checked this entry, and who and all made this entries that we can see in the back end with the IPs we check. We check it and these people have done it correctly. These people have not done it. That we need to analyze and we should give a report. That is what no. Because control what they say is they have followed the controls or are they saying something for the rules and following anything else. So that is the most important thing. So this consider audit consideration relating to entity using service organizations, mostly their objective, the work we given, they completed the work, how they completed efficiently they are doing, effectively they are doing, and the control how much they are doing, how the internal control that is there any problem in completing the objective. This is the only thing you need to write in the exam, and this is the question.